First of all, I think people have got to get a hold of Dr. Ball's book, Human-Caused Global Warming, The Biggest Deception in History. Okay? And you can pick that up through Amazon, and he talks about how the climate scare got going, how it was fed by the UN, why they're doing it. In many cases, there's a lot of nefarious motivations.
Yes, there is.
The other thing I wanted to plug was the Non-Governmental International Panel on Climate Change reports. Now, people have heard of the IPCC, but how many people have heard of the NIPCC? The NIPCC puts out a series of reports, really phenomenal reports. It's one of the ones I gave to the minister, actually, called Climate Change Reconsidered, okay? And the webpage is very easy. People can look it up. It's climatechangereconsidered.org. And it has literally thousands of references from peer-reviewed science journals that shows that virtually every single element of the climate scare is either wrong or in great debate. So when you hear from the minister, the science is settled, all you have to do is say, what about this? Because these are leading scientists across the world. The most recent report is specifically on the benefits of fossil fuels. The fossil fuels are not only giving us benefit from an economic point of view, but they benefit the environment in many ways, because fossil fuels lead to, of course, a wealthier country, which we can then afford to protect our environment.
Right.
But also, it's the direct CO2 fertilization effect. Okay, CO2 is aerial fertilizer. It not only allows plants to grow faster, but it allows them to grow with less water. And that's really important. You mentioned this earlier, because it means that as CO2 rises in the Earth's atmosphere, parts of the Earth that currently cannot support plants will start to be able to support plants. So this is something people should look up. And even just looking at the volume of material that counters what, as you say, Minister McKenna, virtually every single argument that she's presenting is completely countered by these reports. ClimateChangeReconsidered.org.